Clouds can come in all shapes and sizes. They can be flat or puffy, thin or thick, white or gray, and much more. Scientists use these clues to give names to every type of cloud you might see in the sky. Clouds are given names based on their shape and how high they are in the sky. There are four main kinds of clouds: cirrus, cumulus, stratus, and nimbus. Cirrus clouds are found very high up in the sky. Normally, clouds are made up of water droplets, but because the air is so cold up in the part of the atmosphere where cirrus clouds are found, they are made up of ice crystals. This gives them a thin, wispy appearance similar to strands of hair. Cirrus clouds often form out ahead of a storm system, so if you see a lot of them in the sky, there could be rain or thunderstorms on the way. Cumulus clouds can be found in the middle and lower part of the atmosphere and can look like cauliflower or white puffy cotton balls. They form when air at the ground rises and cools. This makes the moisture in the air turn from gas, which is called water vapor, into liquid water droplets which clump together and form clouds. Cumulus clouds often happen on bright, sunny days, but if the atmosphere holds the right ingredients, they can grow into thunderstorm clouds. We'll talk more about this in a little bit. The type of cloud that occurs lowest in the sky is stratus. Stratus clouds can look like a blanket as they often cover a big chunk of the sky, and they are sometimes thick enough to block most sunlight from peeking through. If you've ever stepped outside on a gray, dreary, overcast day, you are probably underneath a big batch of stratus clouds. The fourth type of cloud is nimbus, which are rain clouds. Nimbus clouds include certain types of cumulus clouds called cumulonimbus, which are tall, puffy clouds that go high up into the atmosphere and have a flat top that looks like an anvil. These are the clouds that give birth to thunderstorms. Another type of nimbus cloud is nimbostratus, which is a thick layer of dark clouds that block out most sunlight and can have heavy rain or snow. Sometimes, stratus and cumulus clouds can happen higher in the sky than normal. When this is the case, we call them altostratus or altocumulus clouds. Also, clouds can sometimes be a mix of two different types of clouds. For example, a batch of clouds can look like a blanket but also have some puffiness to them. These would be called stratocumulus clouds. Other clouds that are a mix of two different cloud types are cirrostratus and cirrocumulus. Now you know a little bit more about all the different types of clouds.